Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I got another package in from Fat Quarter Shop and I cannot wait to show you what I got. All right guys, it was another special delivery day from Fat Quarter Shop. And I don't know, I guess I probably just ordered too many things from Fat Quarter Shop, but I kind of like it when they give us one of these kind of special boxes. Fabric's always good. It's never disappointing, but it's kind of fun when it comes in a pretty box too. Okay. So if you've watched my previous videos, I have been working on that quilt. That was the February Sew Sampler subscription. And I bought the finishing kit for it. And I'm not sure, I did not measure that before I started. I just started cutting and I ran out of fabric. So one of the things that I had to order, oh, come on, was more of my background fabric. So not super exciting, but still it was something that I had to get. So I went ahead and I think I got a yard or two of it just so I would absolutely have plenty of it. And again, this is what came in that finishing kit. I will get you guys a better picture of that. And then I went ahead and also picked up a backing. Now this is one of Lori Holt's 108 backings. So it's got a lot of turquoise and a little bit of the color she likes to call denim and some teal. And I think it's going to be a really cute backing. I had actually hoped to back this quilt with it, but I'm not sure. Let me give you guys a different camera angle here. So if you see, this is what I was kind of thinking, but that may be that this background from the front is a little pinker than this one is. So we'll see once I get the quilt top finished if that's something that I want to add in. Okay, so the other things that I grabbed, this is going to surprise you all. I was noticing my seam ripper is quite dull, and unfortunately that probably means that I use it a lot, but I just like to order one of these Clovers. I love them. They're easy. I wish there was a way to sharpen these, and if there is and I don't know about it, definitely you guys let me know, because as soon as I open this, it works beautifully, and then after a couple of months, you know, depending on how heavily I use it, I just noticed that they kind of don't work out so well anymore. So I grabbed that. And then I've also been meaning to refill my, what is this called? Acorn, I think, precision glue. There's a lot of piecing that we've been doing. And even especially with this quilt, it might have been nice. They're not quite small enough, but it's just a really small piecing glue. If you use this, it is not one of those that's going to wash away and be, is it water soluble? I know you can't use like the corners after you glue them. If you wanted to make two, oh, it says it's perfect for applique. Maybe it is water soluble. Now I'm going to have to read. Press with the dry iron on wool setting. I don't know if it's water soluble. Now I'm going to have to look. Okay. So I take it back. This is water soluble. It sets with a dry iron if you use it on the wool setting so that you can use it really quickly. You're not waiting for it to dry forever. I do know that when Kimberly's talked about using it before, like if you're doing it on a corner and you glue the corner down, then you're not saving that other half, but maybe that's because you're not washing the fabric. I don't know. I haven't used it just a ton. I usually end up reaching for my glue stick because that's what I have handy, or my Sue Daily glue that I have for my other applique, but I think I'm going to enjoy using this too. So that's everything I got in this box. I know it's a kind of a fast unboxing, but I've kind of been in limbo trying to get this quilt finished. So I took a little break because of the garden, and then I was also waiting for the finishing kit to come in, and then I cut everything, took my break for the garden, and then I got right back into it, and the last two blocks I couldn't finish because I ran out of my background fabric. So then I was waiting for this to come in. So hopefully I will get this one off and onto the long arm shortly. If you do like watching any of these unboxing videos or some of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.